Welcome back everybody to this new video to Express. Today let's take a look into how we can add a Notion page and share them with others. Whether you are collaborating with your project, sharing documents, or showcasing your work, the Notion makes it simple to share pages with anyone. So stick around, I'm going to be showing you to do this in a very easy way and showing you a few tips of how we can just look out for the best stuff here for Notion. So what is important to share with Notion? So Notion is a powerful tool for project managing notes, tasked, and one of the best features is the ability to share your pages with others. But why should you share your Notion pages? So I'm gonna go here inside my Notion application and let's talk about the Notion sharing. Into the upper side I have the collaboration tools. These are easily work together in project in real time. The presentation can be helping of course to find out one of the best elements. So let's say for example that I want to showcase this into a website and I wanted to show them how it actually works. Now there's transparency here. We can keep everyone on the same page by sharing updates and resources instantly. And lastly, the organization. Instead of sending multiple files or emails, you can just give others the access to neatly organized workspace and everyone on the same page. So to show a Notion page, first of all, let's start by sharing a Notion page with a specific individuals. This is ideal for the team members or collaborators. So I'm gonna head here into my privacy workspace and I'm gonna head into the actual page that I wanted to show. In this case, here it is. I have a daily routine. Right, so this daily routine, I'm gonna go and add a commentary. For example, this is for all the team members. There we go. As you can see, it says right now, this is my name. So now click into the option that says show. And into show, you want of course to type the email addresses of the people you wanted to show the page with. So if I clicked here, I'm gonna add a mail. In this case, here it is. Usually, if the person who already have an account here into this Notion is going to be appearing here, and if don't, I can just send the invitation right away. And do exactly the same thing with all the customers. So 8 big stars at Gmail, I select it, and here you want to choose if they can edit, if they can comment, or if they can see. In this case, I'm going to give them the whole access and give them the invitation. So you want to convert to these users and members, you want of course to convert them into members. So if I set this permission, they can see, they can view, they can comment, and they can edit. Once you have set the permission invite, the permission of course will be sent into a link to the Notion page and they can start collaborating right away. So if I go for show this as a member, I have the invitation here and I'm going to be having now the invitation of it. Now let's talk about how to share a Notion page using a public link. So this option is perfect when you need to share content with a broader audience, such as clients, stakeholders, or students, and you don't want people, of course, to have the full access. So enable the public address by going into the share menu. You want to toggle into the option labeled shared to the web, or just go here inside the section that says go here, everybody inside my team, everybody with the link, and only with invitation. So if I choose this link, I go for restrict the access. Every person with the link of my account, I copy this link, and everybody who opens this link has now access to it. If I open a new private window, I'm going to try it out if this one actually works. I'm going to paste this routine. And as you can see, it's going to be asking me to sign in to see this page inside the Notion. So everybody who wants to sign in, of course, needed to have an actual account here. So they might now be having access to it later on. The next thing, of course, is to share this within the workspace. So if I go back into the share menu, like before, click into the share button at the top of the page, but now I can focus into published. And I create a website with Notion. If I go for published, here is my link. And here I have the daily routine. I can change it if I wanted to. So here it is, how it actually looks. The icon. There we go. So I can just go back, go for share, published, and I go for view my site. Now everybody who checks out this new website created by Notion have now access to this section. And what I can do is to tell people what I'm actually talking about. Here it is the Monday, here is the Wednesday, Friday, and much more stuff. So I can of course try to create an account and ask to join into this website in order to, let's say, make some changes, to edit, or to join the permissions stuff. But in my case, I'm going to just leave it as it is. So once you have done this, of course, before we wrap up, here are a few best practices. For example, limit editing permissions. We can change the permissions by in here. You can publish a website, and you can delete access for many members if you want to don't see this anymore. So regularly review all these permissions and encourage collaborators to use the comment than directly editing this content. So guys, that's how you can share a Notion page with others, whether you're collaborating with your team or presenting a larger audience. Notion makes sharing quick and easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and TechExpress for more tutorials and tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully with all this being said, we can see you to a brand new section of TechExpress. See you next time.